Hello friends, this video on algebraic expressions part 8 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now that we have learned the basics about algebraic expressions, their parts, their types, etc. Now a very common question that might come to your mind is, like when we deal with numbers, we add them so conveniently or we subtract them so conveniently. So you have 4, you have 10. So you just add 4 and 10 to make 14. You have 5, you have 6. You add 5 and 6 to make 11. So addition and subtraction of numbers are pretty much easy. Now what about algebraic expression? So if we are given an algebraic expression like 5x, if we have another algebraic expression like 3y square, can we add them? If yes, how? If no, why? Similarly, if you have more complex algebraic expression like 3x plus z square on one side and you have something like 1 plus y square on the other side, so can we add these two? So here in this section, we will learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So let us So this is not only with addition. So the same concept will apply for subtraction as well. So let us start with addition of algebraic expressions. So the most basic thing that you need to remember with regards to addition is that we can only add the like terms together. So only the like terms can be added. That is those terms with same algebraic factors. So only like terms can be added. If you have unlike terms, you anyways cannot add them. So you need to leave them as it is. So what do we do? Let us take an example. So let us take the first example. So we will take simple example. Let's say you have one algebraic expression 5x, you have another algebraic expression 8x. So this is a monomial because it has one term. This is also a monomial, it has one term. When you compare these two terms, you see that both of them have the same algebraic coefficients. That is, both of them are like terms. So that, and as I mentioned before, that we can add like terms. Now how do we add the like terms? Now since both the terms have the same algebraic coefficient, so the sum is also going to have the same coefficient. That means the result will also have the same algebraic coefficient, which is x. Now all we need to do is we just need to add the numeric part. That is, you just add 5 and 8. So how much do you get? You get 13x. So 13x is the sum of these two algebraic expressions. So this is the most simple example, most possible simple example which has been taken, just to make you understand what is the concept that we follow. So the simple concept is that we can only add the like terms. And how do we add the like terms? By adding their numerical coefficients. So in this case, 8 and 5 are the numerical coefficients. So we just added them to find out the sum. So let's take the next example. Let's say you have one algebraic expression 3y square and you have another algebraic expression 1 by 2y square. So here if you compare, you see again the algebraic factors are same. Therefore these are like terms. So when you add them, 3y square plus 1 by 2y square, what do? You add the numerical parts together, which is 3 plus 1 by 2y square. So what is 3 plus 1 by 2? That is nothing but 7 by 2. So 7 by 2y square is the sum of these two expressions. Let's take one more example. Let's say you have one expression y square plus 1 and you have another expression x plus 1. So do you think both are like terms? Now here these two expressions do not have single term. So the first expression is also a binomial, second expression is also a binomial. Now let's say that you have to add these two expressions, y square plus 1 plus x plus 1. Now, can y square be added to any other term? No, because you do not have any more term with y square. Can x be added to any other term? No, because x also doesn't have any other like term or any other term with x. So what are we left with? We are left with 1 and 1. So we can definitely add 1 plus 1. So this becomes y square plus x plus 2. So this is the result, or this is the sum. So in this case, you can never add y square to x. That's because they do not have the same algebraic coefficient. So one has y square, the other one has x. So this is not possible. So this would be the final answer. So what we learned that we need to follow a very simple step. First step is rearrange the terms. Why rearrange the terms? So that we can place the like terms together, so that the like terms can be collected together. So here you see that we have rearranged the term such that the like terms, like here 1 and 1 were like terms, so they were put together. So let us take one more example for a even better understanding. So here we take a little more complicated example. So you have one expression y square plus 1, you have another expression 3y square plus y plus 2, and you have to add these two. So that means this expression needs to be added to this expression. So what do? First of all, you rearrange the terms. That means you collect the like terms together. So do you have any other term which is like y square? Yes, 3y square. So let us place the y square together. Then let us place the y's together. So for y you just have one term. And then let us place the constants together, which is 1 plus 2. So y square plus 3y square. As I said, how will you add these two terms? Just add the numeric coefficients. 1 plus 3y square plus y plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4y square plus y plus 3. So this would be the final answer. So rearrange the terms, collect the like terms together. Now once the like terms are together, add the like terms. How do you add the like terms? The numerical coefficient of the sum is equal to sum of the numerical coefficients of the terms. Like in this case, you have y square and 3y square. Y square is basically 1y square. So what you do, you add the numerical coefficient, that is 1 plus 3, which gives you 4y square. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.